normal routine. I just realized something. I don't ever think I showed you guys this blanket my mom hand knitted. Like, it's huge, DBP squad, right? And it's actually folded in half. So like, it definitely covers the whole bed. Absolutely insane. Shout out to you, Mom. I don't even want to know how long this took you, but I love it. Good morning, Blue. Gosh, guys, this is gonna be really rough. I am not energetic right now. You know that feeling when you're like super hungry and it's just like you have the shakes and you just feel weak? That's exactly what I'm going through right now. So you know we're gonna do this vlog properly. We're gonna keep it, you know, low key right now. And then once I get this food in my stomach, we'll begin the music, we'll get the hype intro, we'll get this vlog on its way. But man, I have to say, summer is officially here. It's hot. I'm not used to this and it's gonna take a little bit to get used to, but I love it. I absolutely love it. No more rain, no more, you know, I mean, there's a lot of pollen. That's what sucks here in Richmond, allergies. I've finally developed allergies after all these years. I'm saying finally, like it's an achievement. No, it sucks. But yeah, you know, with this hot weather, the good weather, whatever you want to call it, gets me motivated. I'm ready to film. I'm currently waiting on Jordan. I know we have some things in store to do to his car. We have some modifications going on today. Some exciting modifications, that is. From there, probably gonna grab some food, like I said, with Joel. No, we're meeting up with him today. And yeah, it should be fun, guys, so stay tuned. And as soon as Jordan gets here, we'll pick this right back up. And you know, as I said, I was gonna pick this vlog up when Jordan got here, but I just wanna ask you guys some questions real quick while we got some time to burn. Now, many of you guys that watch my videos, you might know I approach my vlogs like in a funny way, energetic way, not super serious all the time. There is serious moments, and you know, obviously when we do car modifications and stuff, we like to, you know, balance everything out. How do you guys like the content? Is it something that you look forward to watching? Is it enjoyable to watch? Because honestly, guys, I don't care who you are, I don't care how much money you got, I don't care what vehicles you own. If you produce boring content, I just feel like, you know, it's not enjoyable. Obviously those go hand in hand, and I'm not trying to have boring content. I want your feedback on that. Please just take a second, drop a like on this video, by the way, but no, take a quick second, drop a comment down below. What do you guys like seeing? What do you guys hate seeing? I know many of you guys are probably gonna, you know, be really biased and, you know, oh, we hate when you're energetic and immature, but honestly, that's just my personality. On and off camera, guys, I'm like that, you know, cracking jokes with friends, and I'm sure many of you can relate to that. I don't really believe in the super professionalism when it comes to filming, because that's just putting on a mask, and that's just like, you know, being a character that you're really not. What you see with me, guys, is what you get, and like I said, many of you guys can understand that, but I want to know your feedback because I've always wanted to know and I've never asked that question. So let me know, drop a comment down below. Oh, I think my Uber's here. Hey, how's it going, man? Are you Jordan? Oh, my bad, dude, wrong guy. Damn it, where's my Uber? Hey, how's it going, man? Are you Jordan?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, how's it going, Derek, man? You my Uber for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome, dude, sweet. Yeah, I'm definitely giving you a bad review after that one. Yo, I'm digging that merch, dog. Hey, check it, check it. This one was limited edition, guys. Sorry, you can't get your hands on it anymore.
I have that one.
But you can still go get this one. Link in the description, go cop some merch, guys. All right, man, so I know we got some plans. I haven't really informed them. We got some car parts back here, as I was saying, guys. We have a fun, but pretty nerve-wracking install today. Especially for you. We'll go more into details on that, but I know Joel wants to get food. I'm absolutely hungry, dude. Like, I have no, holy shit, I almost forgot, guys. Let's just get it over with. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. That is probably the longest I've ever gone without doing the proper intro. And I'm not with it right now. I'm not with it right now, but we're gonna make sure I get with it because we're gonna head to Joel's, grab Joel, get some food, then we're gonna begin this install, and we're gonna just jump right on into it. So, to Joel's house again. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're pulling up to Joel's now. He's gonna be in the garage. He has the AC rolling for us, so he's the man right now. And as I said, guys, we have a fun install today. I'm anxious to see how this works, and I know Jordan is because it's benefiting him and his car. So yeah, let's go see what Joel's up to, and let's get this going. What do you think? Front door, maybe? All right, let's try the front door.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bring my pizza, bitch.
What you up to, man? Doing some detailing? Dang, this thing is looking right. Damn, Joel. That looks awesome, dude. All right, guys, as you saw, we just made it to Joel's house. We're gonna let him finish up his little detailing he's doing on the car. It's looking fantastic.
Oh, bring my pizza, bitch.
All right, guys, so obviously Joel got done detailing his car. We got Jordan's in here. We're gonna close the garage, go get the food now. Let this cool down, exhaust has to cool down, and then we can jump right on into it. So here we go. All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna jump into this like periodically throughout the day because we're trying to do some modifications to Jordan's car. And I know I left you guys hanging, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what it is, but I'm gonna warn you right now, I'm not filming this step by step on this video, just because when I get my new car, I do plan on doing this, and that's a lot of hints for you guys. Yeah, so you know, we're gonna have a build series. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, we got Jordan's car on jack stands right now, and this is the pipes that Jordan did have. He had muffler deletes. And as you can see, we got some GT500 Quads here with the GT500 Valence. So we'll go ahead and update you as we go. But again, guys, I don't want to make this like a full video on an installation. Just going to give you guys a little rundown. And when I get my car, I plan on doing this, then, you know, you'll get the full step-by-step. We just removed Jordan's rear bumper on the car. Bumper is sitting right here. And in order to get this to work for the brand new GT500 Valence that he has right over there, when Ford created these bumpers, they actually left a little cut line. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a really faint line, but it goes all the way through. So we have to take a Dremel and start cutting on that line perfectly. And then after that, the brand new Valence sits on it. So it's can't really mess it up if you take your time. It's just, it is scary though, because, you know, it's, yeah, you can't go back, exactly. Alright guys, so we did just install the GT500 Valence, and I will say on the 13 and 14s, that looks incredible. As you know, you can see there's little chunks everywhere. It was all red right there, but this definitely gives it a really aggressive look. And it's going to look really awesome with the quads in both sides, but yeah, it's going to look really good. So we'll keep you updated as soon as we get this bolted back up. Alright guys, we're doing the finishing touches. The quads look amazing. I will say it definitely brings more light to the S197s when they have quads. And Jordan's gonna have his first startup here with the GT500 mufflers and long tubes. I don't think it's gonna be as loud, but I think it's gonna sound really good. You're looking for that deep note. I think you're definitely gonna accomplish that. And they sticking out perfect on both. So yeah guys, startup number 1, here we go. Definitely deeper, dude. Hey, when it's done idling, when it goes back to normal idle, give it a little rev. Why does that sound so good? Riding with Big Daddy Joel. Man, she clean. My hand about slipped off that door handle. It's so clean, man. No illegal activities. Oh my God, you're wild. Definitely deeper like he wanted it. Not as loud, but definitely deeper. All right guys, picking this vlog up the next day. We got Brandon here gonna come pick me up. Dang, Pam, all right. Looking good. We got Shadow 2 valve right there. We got Kristen's S197. And importantly, we got Jordan's S197. Guys, the quad tips look absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend if you have a Coyote S197. I'm pretty sure the S550s all come with quads, I think. I'm not too sure, but that looks absolutely incredible, and I highly recommend doing that. But yeah, guys, I would give this install about a 5 out of 10. Not too hard. It's just a little tedious and a little time consuming because of the cutting, but that's your outcome, and I think it's well worth it. So if you guys enjoyed, and if you think it looks good, drop a like on this video. I truly appreciate it. And with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Remember, if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions and concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Crowd 3 Valve. Thank you so much for your continued support. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP to know your post. As you guys know, every time I film a video, so just want to go to hashtag I used it and boom, shout out. Anyways, guys, with that, we will be back Monday with a fresh new video. But until next time, we'll see you later.